Hey guys, Munch here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. So, since the centers are already done, the only thing you need to do to complete the second layer is to fill in these 4 edge pieces. So first, you need to hunt for edge pieces on the top layer. Like these 2 are the only ones I can find. So you take one of them and match the color facing you with its corresponding color center. So this is green, I need to match it up with this green. Then we look at the color on the top. In this case it's orange. Then I check if orange is on my left side or my right side. In this case it's on my right side, so I use my right finger to turn the top face. Then I do the 4 moves from earlier. Then I turn it back, and then I do the 4 moves using my left hand to bring it in. See? If that was a bit hard to follow, I'll do it slow again this time. So I match up the green with the green. Now I look at the top color. It's red. Here is on my left side is the red center. So I use my left hand to turn the top face. I then do the 4 moves on using my left hand. Then I turn the top face back to where it was and use my right hand to put it back to the center, as you can see here. This one has appeared on the top face, so we do the same for this. Pause the video and see if you can do it on your own. Now I'm going to show you the right solution. First, match up this with this. Blue's on my right side, so I use my right hand, do the 4 moves, turn back the top face, use my left hand this time, and do the 4 moves once more. Now, you'll run into cases where the edge piece you need is in one of these spots, but it's not in the right spot. So you should just do the 4 moves to take it out, and then you would insert the first piece back in, like you did in the first layer. So this is taken out, and it's in the top layer, just where we want it. So blue color, blue center, red, right side, R prime, U prime, and then the left side. Now the second layer is done. Yay!